We've mentioned trends several times. So the question is, how do we stay on top of trends?
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class. The European Vogue publications are still the most iconic and influential. French Vogue, which is now known as Vogue Paris or Vogue France. There is Italian Vogue or Vogue Italia. We have British Vogue and of course American Vogue. Whether you subscribe online or buy the actual paper version, I suggest you start subscribing to these publications. They are the trendsetters. They are on the cutting edge of the fashion industry, and you always want to stay ahead of the curve and learn about the latest colors, silhouettes, styles, and so on. Vogue has a great online version called Vogue Business. If you visit their LinkedIn page, you can hit follow. And the same goes for WWD, which is Women's Wear Daily. The publication itself has been around for over 100 years. And again, if you go on their LinkedIn page, you can join over 400,000 subscribers. Based out of New York City, they have over 500 employees expressing the voice of the industry. In the back of every fashion magazine, there is what is known as an editorial section, where magazines get to be very creative and put together a photo shoot known as a story or a theme, and they get very artistic. They hire the best photographers, models, stylists, and put together a layout, also known as a spread, expressing their creative voice, a world where fashion meets art. Many times that is very inspiring. Seeing those images in a magazine could spark an idea for your next design. And I go into details about that in my branding and marketing course. Of course, we can't discuss trends without talking about the importance of social media. Social media is the new ad agency, advertising agency. Use it wisely. Follow influential bloggers. Follow the latest fashion shows. Also, take a day and visit your favorite stores. See what's out there in the marketplace, or go to a museum or an art exhibition. Okay? All right, I'll see you in the next video.
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.